What's so cool about manufacturing, and why do you enjoy working in this field?
Well, in our case, we do an enormous amount of custom work. Has driven our profitability. It's the type of work that is never, often not repeated. So everything is different. So we're actually grinding tooling, making tooling to make custom moldings every week here. So it never gets boring.
I'm a tally man, forklift operator. I do everything that needs to be done out here in the yard when I need to do it. Mostly I pull lumber for orders that we get from the salesman. Grade lumber, look for color characteristics in the wood, sort for widths and lengths.
Next step you saw was what we call the optimizing ripping station. And so you saw a computerized system there that had a cut bill that was fed into it already, and the lasers were being set to get the maximum yield out of those boards. And that's why you saw those lasers.
I work at the back of the molder, and I inspect the moldings and package them and put them on the packs and then pack them out to be shipped out, and I do the paperwork for each pack and make the tags.
So all the sawdust that we collect, shavings and grindings from the rippings and the chop, all gets collected in that silo. And then we sell that off to farmers that use it for animal bedding.
And that's what we do. We make moldings, flooring, the trim that you see, paneling.
Some of the stuff that we create over there is pretty neat.